In today's video, we will learn to insert any video in our web page. So how to insert any video in web page, that means HTML file, that today we will learn. For that, first of all, we will write here doc type. After that, we will write here HTML tag. Inside HTML, we will write head. After that, title.
Yes.
So we will learn about inserting videos in HTML. So I will write here video in HTML. This is our title. We can write it as capital. After that, here we will write body, and inside body we will start to code. So first of all, we will give heading H1, that will be our head. So our heading will be videos in web page. And you can notice here, I am using replit.com website. This is similar as Replit app. You can also use app for that, Replit app. So here we will write our video tag to insert video. After writing video, we have to give here width and height. It is the height and width of our video. So here we will write width and height. So our video width will be, for example, I am taking 500 width and 500 height. You can choose anything. And after that, we will write here controls to control the video, like play button, mute button, full screen buttons. So these all controls can be used by these attribute controls. This is attribute of video tag. So after that, we will write here in tag source and src. So what is meant by source? It is the location of the video, where video is saved or from where we are taking video. But notice that here 2 times source. We have learned about images. That time we were going to use only img image and src source. But here 2 times. First complete source, then src. And in src we will give the path or location of the video. And here we can't copy and paste link, because we need video in format of mp4, ogg or mkv or any other format, but we can't use link for videos. So we will use here videos name, and after that close it and close the source as well. And here we will give source of the video. For that we have to go here on this icon, click on these 3 points, upload file, select files, go to your video location, like in gallery. You can choose any video, but I have already chosen 2 videos. One is asur.mkv and another one is doraemon.mp4. These 2 videos we will use in our web page. You can choose any video. If video have long name or weird name, then you can rename the name by using rename here. So first of all, we will give source of our first video, that is asur.mkv. So for that we have to write here asur.mkv. It is our video name. And inside that, after source, we will close the video tag as well. So right here slash video. So we have given video tag. Inside video tag we have used attribute like width, height and controls to control and size of the video. And after that we have give source of the video and close the source tag. This is our basic code for the video tag. So it is our first video. You will be able to identify this video tag. So we will run it. And you can see here, this is our video, but it is very large. Here is our heading, videos in web page. And it is very large because given height and width as 500. So we can manage it, and we can also run it with Chrome. So it will be work okay. So you can see here, and if we play it, you can see this video. And we have all controls of the video, like we can mute it, and we have option of download or playback speed, so we can download it, but I am not going to download it, so we will cancel it. And we can also full screen, use full screen and play, and we can fast forward it. So it is not working well, but that's how we can see complete video as well as movie. So this is complete video of 42 minutes. Similarly, we can add another video. For that we have to similarly write another video tag. So we will copy it and paste it here. Only we will change the name of the video. So our second video was Doraemon.mp4. So we will write here. Oh, sorry. So we will write here, instead of asur.mkv, here we will write Doraemon.mp4. So run it again, run Chrome, and you can see here there are two videos. One is our asur.mkv and another is Doraemon.mp4. But you can see here it is stick to each other. We won't get a gap between them, but they are very close to each other. So for gapping, we can use here between these two videos, we will use BR tag, which is break tag for new line. We can give two BR tags for two new lines. Okay. Now again we will run with Chrome, and you can see here these videos are separated by some distance. So we can play it. Second video is taking time